we go guys, on the way to airport.
It's 34 minutes from our place and we are lucky because it's not traffic and our flight is 11:30. So we still have time guys, no hurry.
Tsaka nagsusuot lang ako ng chinilas guys, sana hindi maginaw sa airport.
So now guys, we just arrived at the airport and I'm a little bit hungry. We need something to eat, so let's go guys. So we stop here and I will buy one slice of cake. Have a lot of food inside guys, but I will just eat this one for me. And it's almost 11, so we need to check in and I'm so excited guys, so see you there in Boracay.
I'm asking if there is a chair available near the window because I want to sit there, and I'm happy because it's available, yeah, but it's in the exit area, so it's okay with me. And my hair is so messy because I didn't take shower in the morning and I didn't brush my hair in a way.
Finally guys, we just arrived in the airport in Boracay and it's good weather, not rainy, but yeah, so hot. I'm already dark and yes, keep watching guys.
Sasamahan niyo ako papunta sa langit, joke lang.
So now we need to take a tricycle, so we're gonna pay here 75 each person.
Dito na tayo sa tricycle, hindi na kami nagpapahinga kasi gusto ko nang pumunta sa boat terminal kasi nagugutom na naman ako. So going to the terminal because we will ride a boat for going to Island Boracay. It's for 10 minutes. So dito na tayo sa loob, bibili na naman tayo ng ticket. Yes, of course.
We have now a seats number for the pump boat, so you know where you're gonna sit. And yes, finally we almost there. See you guys and keep watching.
We are here on the island. We will ride an electric tricycle going to the hotel. And yes, happy! This island is less noisy because all tricycles do not use fuel. So we are now at the back beach where people can do kiteboarding. I'm with my friend Banji, the beautiful girl in Philippines.
Party for the first time beaches.
So, magpa-party kami sa yacht. And we have a ticket now. So, we're going there. I'm so excited. We got 4 tickets. And it's for 1,500 person. And sobrang mainit talaga guys. Lalo na kapag dito ka sa beach of course. And then, I'm really dark. So dark. Oh my goodness. But it's okay. I'm still beautiful anyway. So, we will all board here first because we will be taken to the yacht later. And the kids, they having fun.
And the water is pretty clear, so nice.
So, dito na tayo guys. Ililipat na tayo sa yacht.
Chill-chill muna tayo guys kasi mamaya party na.
Run from the shark!
Anak ko picture.
Baby, look how easy swimming is. Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching.
Oh, not mommy yet. Still need 9 months.
Up.